Kirby Smith was shot to death in his Columbus automobile repair shop. The two prime suspects are now free from prosecution.
Superior Court Judge Gil McBride issued a sweeping ruling late Wednesday. He dismissed the case with prejudice, meaning Smith's estranged wife, Rebecca Haynie, and her boyfriend, Donald Keith Phillips, can never be tried for Smith's murder. News 3's Chuck Williams has that story.
Rebecca Haynie and Donald Keith Phillips were arrested on a circumstantial case 6 years ago following an investigation by Cold Justice, a true crime television show. In his ruling, Judge Gil McBride slammed the marriage of justice and TV. One line stands out near the end of McBride's ruling. Quote, "This order is the outcome that results naturally when the forensic inquiry and the pursuit of truth are confused with entertainment." End quote. The problem wasn't just the TV show, one of the defense attorneys says.
State had continually not been able to provide the discovery, and again had said they were not ready and could not proceed to trial, and ultimately I think the judge just said that that's enough, that justice delayed is justice denied, and that therefore he dismissed the case with prejudice.
33 terms of court have passed since Haynie and Phillips were arrested. This case has touched 3 DAs, Julia Slater, who brought the TV show and indicted it, Mark Jones, who upped the charges to capital murder, and Shanika Terry, who ultimately dismissed it. McBride pinned the problem on Slater and Jones. He noted that Terry and her prosecutors were not the issue. Quote, "They inherited a case badly compromised by the actions of their predecessors," end quote. The problems were failure to disclose evidence, including raw footage from the TV show, and it was evidence the judge had ordered prosecutors to turn over.
It's a once in a career type case. I just don't think you'll ever see this set of facts again. I think it was not a good case to begin with. The state admitted that it was totally circumstantial. Problems continue to arise, and then when you had the new administration, they tried to cover those up by seeking the death penalty, which I think really only served to refocus the problems that existed.
Reporting from Columbus, Chuck Williams, WRBL News 3, on your side.
Haynie's attorney Jason Sheffield of Decatur compared the state's case to a race car, and when it came time to start the car, it had no engine.
A man accused